If Meta Ray-Ban display or Meta Neural Band are not responding, ensure they are charged and powered on. To turn on Meta Ray-Ban display, push the power switch toward the lenses. To turn on Meta Neural Band, press and hold the button for 2 seconds until the notification LED pulses and the band vibrates. The LED will disappear when the band is fully booted up. If your devices are powered on and still unresponsive, a forced restart may help. Forced restarting will not delete your captures or require you to pair your device to the app again. To force restart Meta Ray-Ban display, turn off Meta Ray-Ban display by sliding the power switch away from the lenses. Close both arms, then hold down the capture button. While holding down the capture button, turn on the glasses, and then release the capture button. After about 17 seconds, Meta Ray-Ban display will reboot and the LED will pulse white. Once the glasses reboot, they are ready to use. To force restart Meta Neural Band, press and hold the button. Wait for the LED to completely fade out and turn off before releasing the button, which should take about 8 seconds. Press and hold the button for about 2 seconds to turn the band on. Performing a factory reset will erase all personal data and settings. It will delete all captures on Meta Ray-Ban display. After a factory reset, you'll need to unpair and then repair your glasses and band using the Meta AI mobile app and your phone's Bluetooth settings. To manually factory reset Meta Ray-Ban display, close both arms on the glasses. Press the capture button 5 times, then press and hold the capture button. The notification LED will turn orange. Keep holding the capture button. Wait for the notification LED to pulse white and orange, then release the capture button. The notification LED will pulse white while the glasses reboot. While Meta Ray-Ban display reboots, you can unpair the glasses from the Meta AI app in your phone. In the Meta AI app, go to the Glasses Settings, General, and unpair your glasses. Be sure to also unpair the device from your phone's Bluetooth settings. To factory reset Meta Neural Band, press and hold the button for about 16 seconds. The LED will go through a series of colors and vibrations. When the LED is quickly flashing white and orange, release the button. While Meta Neural Band reboots, you can unpair the band from the Meta AI app and your phone. In the Meta AI app, go to the Band Settings, General, and unpair your band. Be sure to also unpair the device from your phone's Bluetooth settings. When Meta Neural Band has finished rebooting, pair the band in the Meta AI app. For more videos and information about using Meta Ray-Ban display and Meta Neural Band, visit the Getting Started Hub by scanning the QR code on the reference guide. You can also visit our Help Center to learn more or contact Meta Store support.